Hello, welcome to our new video. So, ask a model a hard question and let it answer it in one word, and it will often get it wrong. Ask the same model to think step by step first, and suddenly it's right. Same weight, same size. The only difference is that it showed its work. The one idea is what turned chatbot into reasoners. It's behind the O1, the R1 behind the DeepSeek. And today we are going to build the recipe from scratch, train two identical small models, one that answers, one that reasons, and watch the reasoning one pull away. Let's get into it. Here's why answering directly fails. When a model gives you the answer in one shot, it gets exactly one pass of computation to solve the whole thing. For a easy question, that's plenty. But for a hard one, a long calculation, a multi-step problem, one pass just isn't enough room to work. So the accuracy doesn't gently decline, it falls off a cliff as the problem gets harder. And there's a second problem. When it's wrong, there is no working to look at, just the wrong answer, with nothing to debug, nothing to trust. You can't fix what you can't see. Here's the key insight, say it slowly. Reasoning is just compute spread over tokens. When a model answers in a single token, it only has one pass of compute for the entire problem. A hard problem needs more work than one pass can hold. If you let the model write out the intermediate steps, then each step is a fresh pass of compute. One token, one thought, many tokens, real reasoning. The more thinking token means more actual thinking. That is the whole idea behind the reasoning model. So, how do you teach a small model to do that? You distill it. Here's the recipe. You take a strong teacher, have it write out full step-by-step solution to the whole pile of problem. Now that teacher isn't always right, so you will only keep the traces that reaches the correct answer. That's called rejection sampling. Then you take a small student model and you fine tune it on those correct reasoning traces. You are not teaching it the answers, you are teaching it the working. Copy the reasoning, not just the result. And a smart model trained that way learns to think. Let me show you how. Okay, let's run it. Two students, exactly the same architecture, the same size, trained on exactly the same problem. The only difference is the one is trained to output the answer, the other is trained to output the steps, then the answer. We will test them as the problem gets harder. Watch the answer only student. One digit, fine. Two digit, okay. Then three, four, five, it falls apart. The line drops to the floor. Now the chain of thought student, same problem, same size, it stays up high. And you look at the right side, the answer only just blurts a number wrong. The reasoning one works through the carriers digit by digit and it lands. The same model, same size, same problem. Only thing that changed was teaching how it works. That's the recipe behind reasoning model running on a laptop GPU. Now I will be straight with you. This addition and our teacher is a perfect solver. It's a clean, honest stand-in for distillation, a big reasoning model. The mechanism is exactly what the real thing does. We are not faking a frontier model, we are showing you why we have trained it this way. Everything you just saw, you built across 5 modules in this particular course. 1. Why long chain of thought works and answer only baseline to beat. 2. Teacher traces, generating step-by-step solution and rejection sampling the correct ones. 3. The student, a compact transformer, a tokenizer and masking the loss to the answer. 4. Distillation training itself, answer only versus chain of thought, and a difficult curriculum. 5. Evaluation, accuracy versus reasoning length and whether it generalizes to a harder problem than it ever saw. 5 modules, 20 lessons. You build the whole reasoning pipeline yourself. Why learn this right now? 3 reasons. 1. This is how the reasoning models were built. The jump from the chatbot to genuine reasoners came from training on long chain of thought. Distillation is how that ability moves into smaller, cheaper models you can actually run. 2. Smaller models can reason too. You don't need a giant model for step-by-step problem solving. You need the right traces, that's what makes it practical. And 3. It's full transferable pipeline, traces generation, rejection sampling, fine-tuning, evaluation. The same recipe works for math, for code, for agents. This is one of the most important skills in AI right now. So here's where I leave you. You just watch 2 identical models and the one thought to show its work, the left the others behind it. If you want to be the person who can build that, the pipeline that teaches a model to reason, the full course is at long chain of thought distillation from scratch. 5 modules, 20 lessons, the whole recipe by the end in your hand. It's now live at labs.codersarts.com. Links in the description. Stop prompt for reasoning, start training it. See you in the next one.